Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiki, and today I will be showing you the method I use to make my volume fans and my fans for hybrid lashes. I use the pinching method, and I'm going to show you today what that consists of. Alright, so let's get into making these fans. So like I said, the tweezer I'm using, this L shape tweezer, CoCo lashes on fleek, glue, here's my lash tray, 13 mm is what we're using, 0.05, C-curl, Millionaire Minx lash primer, and this to put the lashes on. So I have my lash, I put my lash strip here. I take some of my primer, I rub it against just like this. Let that sit and dry real quick. Here's my lashes. So what I like to do is I take my tweezer to the brown line here, line it up. For hybrid and volume, you're taking anywhere from 3 to 10 lash extensions, and you're gonna fan it out and put it on each lash, each natural lash. So this is the pinching method that I use, that I find to work great for me. I struggled at the beginning, couldn't understand it. I used to get so frustrated, like, why can I not do this? It looks so easy. But I kept working and working, and I got it. And if you are struggling with making fans with the pinching method, all I can say is don't give up. Keep trying, and I promise you, you'll get it. Bring it up. And then I pinch. And sometimes you might have to open up the tweezer some to get the fans to get to the lashes to move how you want them. You want to make sure your base is skinny like this. You dip it in your glue and put it on here like that. So let's do it again. I'm gonna line up. Take your few lashes forward. Take my 2 fingers and I'm going to pinch. And you don't even got to pinch hard, like a little pinch and your fans will open up. Dip. Just like that. So bring it to the back of the line. Pull you up a few lashes. Bring them forward like so. And give it a light pinch. And you see how those lashes just open right up. You want to make sure your base is skinny like this. Dip it in and put it right here. And look at your fans. You keep following this and keep practicing. I promise you'll get it, because I didn't get it in one day. I had to keep practicing. Was getting frustrated. Quarantine helped a lot, because that's when I did my fans and kept practicing during quarantine, and I got it. And once I learned how to do it, I was so happy. But you gotta focus on your base, because your base needs to be skinny so it can wrap around the natural lash. You don't want your base to be too thick, because then that weighs down the natural lash and that just sometimes you can play with your tweezers so the fan can open up wide enough. And just like that. And the lashes that I'm using are from Lashes on Fleek, the loose base tray, because it's so easy to make the fan